Hello those, these are 6 steps to reduce hair loss problem, and the last one will shock you. Step 1, stop eating junk food. Start having an orange every single morning. 2, start involving in fitness. Make it an habit to do sun salutation every single morning. So 3, drink 1 glass of lukewarm water every single morning before eating. 4, right, wash and massage your hair with a special hair treatment and oil. Do this every twice in a week. Yes, and I will recommend you do. I will recommend you do keratin treatment and castor oil. It works perfectly. 5, conroll your hair at every given time. It helps the hair stretches and keep it evenly. So 6, the last but not the least, and this is an unpopular opinion: masturbation. Yes, masturbation. Stop masturbation. Yes, if you really want to have the full, thick, long, sweet hair, you need to stop that. Yeah, what masturbation does is that it doesn't give room for the hair to grow. It shrink, even affects your body as well. Shrink the hair, kills the cortical, in the hair, all the minerals and vitamins. So gotta stop that. So hope these 6 steps is helpful. Yeah, if it is, you know what to do. Leave a comment below and like, share.